In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to restart or reboot your Fitbit Inspire 2. Note that this does not clear any user data. It's usually just a first step in troubleshooting if you're having issues with your device. So the first way is if your device is responsive, meaning it responds to taps and touchscreen swipes. The second way is if it's not responsive. So if your device is not responsive, go ahead and jump to this part in the video. Otherwise, we'll assume you can do the responsive way first. So go ahead and activate your screen and go ahead and swipe down from the clock face to access the apps. Keep swiping down until you reach the settings app. Go ahead and tap on that and then scroll almost all the way down to reboot device. Tap on that. And then it says press screen for 3 seconds. So go ahead and press on the screen for 3 seconds. Looks like it's making some sort of little square here. I guess you have to do it very consistently, so wait till that little square goes away, I guess, or rectangle. And it should begin the rebooting or restarting process. We have a little smiley face that comes on the screen. And our clock face comes back. So the reboot has finished, no data has been deleted. Hopefully what you were trying to fix will be fixed. But anyway, the next thing is if your device is not responsive, meaning you can't swipe, you can't get to the settings app. Even though I can on mine, I'll show you what it looks like if you can't. So you're going to need the original charging cable that came with your Inspire 2. And you'll want to go ahead and attach it as you would if you were charging. So making sure the pins are aligned. These pins are aligned with these pins. Go ahead and connect it to the back of your tracker. Make sure that it can't fall off so it's connected securely. And then attach the other side, the USB-A, to a compatible power source. And you won't get the response that it's charging, or maybe you will. But what you'll need to do is press and hold these side buttons for about 5 seconds. And then once you see a smiley face, the tracker is restarted. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to press and hold. And yours might look different if it's really not responding. And that didn't, oh, there. So it did work. It took more than 5 seconds. It's probably more like 8 or 10 seconds. So it did have that smiley face as we originally saw with the responsive version. And now, once the clock face appears, your device should have been restarted. And if it was unresponsive, hopefully it now responds to taps and swipe gestures. So those were 2 ways to reboot or restart your Fitbit Inspire 2. If you want to know how to clear the user data and do a factory reset, I have a video for that as well. Check that out on the screen here or in the description below. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up down below as it really helps this video and my channel. And consider subscribing if you want to see more Fitbit Inspire 2 how-to videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.